Reina, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second-ish look at what happened this past week at SJII ES. Yumi, start the clock.
Thanks, Reina. Compassion is a virtue this week. Everyone was excited. Poetry week started. Students, teachers recited. Tuesday, the postman delivered poems with care, seeing students and teachers all glued to their chairs. Wednesday, the poetry got its fair share of visitors. The poems are read, everybody great listeners. Thursday, the lessons were sprinkled with magic. With signatures for poems, everyone seemed ecstatic. Friday, students found poems in their lunchboxes, surprise. Little notes tucked between sandwiches, perfectly disguised. On behalf of the entire The Week That Was team, I'm Yumi, and we'll see you again next time.